How often do you hear the word cancer? It's alarming how this word has become a common part of our daily conversations. This condition, defined by the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells, is a lead player in global morbidity and mortality. Its impact on society is vast and varied, touching lives in every corner of the world. But remember, cancer is not a single entity. It's a term that encompasses a wide variety of types, each with unique characteristics and risk factors. Understanding cancer, its types, causes, and risk factors is the first step towards tackling this complex disease. Cancer is not just one disease, it's a group of more than 100 different and distinctive diseases. Just as no two people are exactly alike, no two cancers are identical either. Each type of cancer has its own set of characteristics, unique risk factors, and varied responses to treatment. For instance, lung cancer, which may be caused by exposure to tobacco smoke or certain environmental toxins, behaves differently than breast cancer, which is often linked to genetic predispositions and hormonal factors. Then you have skin cancer, which has a strong correlation with sun exposure, and colon cancer, which can be influenced by diet and genetic factors. Each of these cancers has different growth rates, metastatic patterns, and responses to treatment. This vast diversity among cancer types underscores the importance of personalized medicine, tailoring diagnosis and treatment to the individual patient and their specific type of cancer. The diversity of cancer types calls for personalized approaches in diagnosis and treatment. What causes cancer? This is a question with multiple answers. Cancer is a complex disease, and its causes are multifactorial. Genetic factors play a significant role. Some people inherit faulty genes that make them more susceptible to cancer. However, genetics alone doesn't tell the whole story. Exposure to environmental carcinogens such as asbestos, radon, and certain chemicals can also contribute to the development of cancer. Lifestyle choices are another key factor. Smoking is the most preventable cause of cancer, linked to various types including lung, mouth, throat, and esophageal cancer. A poor diet lacking in fruits and vegetables, excessive sun exposure without proper skin protection, and excessive alcohol consumption are other lifestyle-related risk factors that can increase the likelihood of developing cancer. Hereditary predisposition, where a history of certain types of cancer runs in families, is another factor to consider. Knowing these risk factors can help us take proactive steps to reduce our chances of developing cancer. Prevention is better than cure, and early detection can mean the difference between life and death. A healthy lifestyle is your first line of defense against cancer. This includes a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, regular physical activity, and maintaining a healthy weight. It's also about making choices that reduce risk, such as quitting smoking, limiting alcohol, and protecting your skin from the sun. Yet, even with the healthiest lifestyle, cancer can still develop. This is where early detection comes in. Screening programs like mammograms for breast cancer, colonoscopies for colon cancer, and pap smears for cervical cancer can catch the disease in its early stages, when it's more treatable. Remember, time is of the essence. The sooner cancer is detected, the better the prognosis. When it comes to treatment, one size certainly does not fit all. Cancer treatment is highly personalized, tailored to the specific type and stage of the cancer, as well as the patient's overall health and genetic characteristics. Options range from surgery and radiation to chemotherapy, immunotherapy, and targeted therapies, each with its own set of benefits and risks that need to be weighed carefully. And let's not forget the role of ongoing research. Every day, scientists are making strides in understanding cancer better and developing new, more effective treatments. While cancer remains a significant health challenge, early detection and personalized treatment give us hope. Cancer is indeed a daunting disease, but it's not undefeatable. We must remember, we are in an era where scientific advancements are happening at a remarkable pace. These breakthroughs are paving the way for more effective prevention strategies, early detection methods, and personalized treatments. Public awareness and education play a pivotal role in this fight. When we understand the signs, symptoms, and preventive measures, we're better equipped to reduce risk and overcome the stigma associated with cancer. No one should walk this path alone. Family and community support are invaluable, providing a foundation of understanding, care, and solidarity. This support, combined with comprehensive psychosocial services, helps improve the quality of life during and after treatment. There's a beacon of hope in every challenge, and in the face of cancer, that hope lies in our collective efforts. Together we can make strides in the fight against cancer and improve the quality of life for those affected by this condition.